Hello everyone, my name is Rito. I'm a student for Informatics Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering and Computer at Universitas Putera Batam. Today, I'm very happy to present a product that I believe can truly improve your computing experience. This video is a personal assignment for the English for Business presentation course taught by our lecturer, Miss Ariana. The keyboard that I present is Ajazz AK680 Max. After opening the software, you see the main interface where you can customize your keyboard. The software is simple and easy to navigate, making it beginner friendly. One of the best features is the RGB lighting customization. You can choose different lighting effects, adjust the brightness, change the speed of the animation, and even customize the colors match to setup. Next, you can remap your key according to your preference. This is useful for gaming productivity or creating custom shortcuts for everyday tasks. The software also supports macro recording. You can create complex commands or repetitive action with a single key press, making your workflow much more efficient. After applying the setting, here's how the keyboard looks in real life. The RGB effects are the smooth and vibrant, and the keyboard responds instantly to every change made in the software. This Ajazz keyboard supports 3 connection modes. First, USB wired mode for a fast and stable connection. Second, 2.4 GHz wireless mode for low latency performance. Third, Bluetooth mode, which lets you connect to laptops, tablets, and smartphone using a dongle. Overall, the Ajazz software provides plenty of customization options while remaining easy to use. Whether you're a gamer or someone who simply enjoys personalizing your setup, this software offers everything you need. Next is the sound of the keyboard. I highly recommend you to try it out yourself. Once you experience the speed and precision of the magnetic switch, you will never want to go back to a regular keyboard. That might conclude my presentation. Thank you for your attention.